heading out for the day. Oh wait, I don't have my mic in. Okay, we're loaded up, heading out for the day. Got everything from our camp, our beautiful camp. Dolly's all loaded up. I think she's ready. Got my phone charging. Yeah, baby! This is what we live for! What is this? Oh, yeah. Actually, I'll wait till we get to where we're going because then I'll spray on my actual clothes. Oh, back in the saddle. See if they got the cardos on. So today's a short day. It's the 4th of July. And we're just going 180 miles, so it's like 2 hours, 40 minutes, something like that. Most of it's this road right here to get out of this valley that we're in. We're going to a lake town. I can't remember what it's called, but we're staying in Idaho. It's a lake town around here for the 4th. So we're gonna have fireworks, food, drinks, festivities, probably no showers, but so we're gonna be the smelliest ones. However, by this point we're used to that. Oh, as you can see, everything's a little wet. It did rain, so our tents are wet, never did dry. If anything, they're more wet, so hopefully the weather's nice today and we can dry that stuff out. Let's see if he's on. Unavailable.
Oh, is it really? Black?
Yeah.
There they are.
Big horns, and it is just grumpy.
Oh.
It just looks grumpy all the time.
Opa? What are you talking about?
The water buffalo.
Yeah.
I'm definitely keeping my phone in my pocket today.
Here we go.
Look at that, look at the sky, it's blue!
That is a good sign, my friend.
I am taking my sweet ass time today. You guys can go right ahead, I don't give a flying fuck.
John said the weather is supposed to be like 80s today, so
ooh.
Should dry our shit out.
Thank Jesus.
Right?
But look, I just like the clouds going over the hills and shit.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Did anybody get a chance to step in that sand with just their bare feet last night or this morning?
I did not. Because
it's incredible.
Everything we own is completely soaked.
It is a little wet.
A little damp, a little moist. Oh, we're getting some happy rain.
Yeah, I should throw my gloves on. So like last night I was thinking, so you see things like pictures of Glacier, Big Ben, the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
But this is just as beautiful, if not more beautiful, than like the Grand Canyon. But no one ever hears about Idaho, you know?
Right. Well, I think they do, they just don't think about this place in particular.
Yeah.
I want to go home and go on Google Earth and like zoom way in on our spots that we stayed in. I think that'd be really cool.
I just see the landscape and stuff.
I think this is called the Salmon River.
This is the Salmon River.
Yeah.
We're actually going to stay on the Salmon River again tonight, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. That should be a t-shirt. Twisties for breakfast.
Beer for breakfast.
Twisties for breakfast.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh, I didn't have my beer for breakfast, John. God damn it.
I didn't have breakfast. I'll have a beer with you.
Okay. Beer is for breakfast for champions.
Beers for breakfast.
Beer is for every stop that we make.
There you go.
Oh no, she's on in the front.
So I gotta tighten it up again.
Yeah, for that point, we're gonna have to put that new one on there, right here. She came
It's
off.
on now.
The bungee cord got in it and popped it off.
Oh, is it tight enough though, or should it be tightened?
Holy fuck.
There it is.
Yeah.
I mean, we can just go slow till we get to the spot and then work on it.
It's 100 miles plus to the spot.
Oh, is it?
That's plenty loose.
Well, I'm glad that you're okay.
Me too.
I was thinking the worst case scenario. I thought like the chain would fucking come snap and then hit your crankcase.
I thought you fucking fell or something.
But
I'm like,
yeah.
oh god.
When the way somebody said, Tony, you freaked me the fuck out when
I
you said
know
that.
the way you said it. I think it.
That's the way I said it was.
Jeremy fell back there. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
Well, we're in the danger zone there for sure, but I think we have no other option to
That's why I flew.
tighten it up.
Yeah.
Did you run out to the end of that stem or not?
No, I can go back further.
Yeah, we definitely.
There's one more increment. We should probably do it.
So that's loosened up. Now we can make our adjustments to the action that's loose.
10 millimeter.
Hey, can you imagine going around one of those
12. And then we need to crack them. So the vice grips have to crack these back though, because I don't have that size.
I got a small.
I think it's like a weird one, like 13 or like.
But it's like half rounded, so.
Well, that's because the vice grips had to do it last time.
Right.
It'll still get it if we have the right size. But...
Weird angles going on here, but we'll see what we can do.
You're just gonna tighten it.
It's 6. One.
What's that we've got?
More. Have to do more.
More?
Yeah.
So tightening up.
Hey girl.
Kind of. We're at the very back now. I'm actually past the thing.
Oh yeah, that'll stay on the fucking sprockets at least.
Yeah. I can try to keep going. I don't know how long these threads are, but I might as well go until I can't.
Well, oh, you know what? That's pretty good there, honestly. I'd be happy with running that tension on my bike right now, actually. You're in the nope zone right now.
Yeah, that's just past
Yep.
both sides.
I heard the pop. I was like, fuck, there goes my tire.
Oh no.
Yeah, that would have been worse.
Hang on for
At least we can
1 second.
fix this. That is the one good thing about chains, is they are repairable on the side of the road.
Did you get your other side then where you're...
Yep. Yeah, that's perfect, actually.
that's perfect.
Oh, don't forget to tighten this main
You
one.
want that? Oh yeah, the main axle.
That would be a good idea.
It'll be alright even though it's out of the red zone.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
you still have the bracket against the swing arm, so it should be okay. Not ideal with vice grips. You probably, I mean, it's not going to be pretty, but at least it'll be tight, so.
Now I just gotta keep remembering to fucking put my goddamn bungee straps.
Put them up.
Yeah.
It's kind of odd how, like, this chain got loose, but it was completely unrelated why it fell off.
It was, wasn't it?
It's so strange.
You made it that far without having
No problems, yeah.
Then that fucking bungee.
Look at these cows. So interested in us. Yeah, they're sniffing us for sure. We probably stink pretty good. On the road again. Okay, we just arrived at McCall, Idaho. A little lake town. You can see all the poppiness going on. There's a little parking lot to our right. Or this spot. Yeah. Perfect. We are rolling down some mountain roads. We are in a national forest. I don't know if we're still in Boise National Forest. or if we're out of it, but we are very close to that area regardless. We've lost 3 of our people, so half the group. It's just me, John, and Chris right now. I don't know if they're back there, I just can't tell. We got separated with traffic, basically, but there's some wildfire crews around here, I guess, working some wildfires. But what we're en route to right now is Saloon. It's outside the town that we're staying at. No, I should say, yeah, we're going to the Saloon in the town we're going to be staying outside of. And then this campground we're going to, it has some hot springs, so we're hoping to get a spot. However, it is 4th of July, so you never know with everyone out and about. This is a lot more, there's some heavy tourism. I think Chris is honking at us, but I can't tell. Dirty Shame Saloon. Dirty Shame. Okay, check out the saloon, have some food and some cold beer. I'm vlogging.
Oh. Hi.
Hello. Okay, we are just leaving the saloon. Had some pizza. We have a 9-minute drive to our supposed camp spot, and basically it's just a wild card of are they gonna have room for us or not. But this place is literally called the Hot Springs Campground, so if they do have a spot for us, we're gonna go check out the hot springs and get cleaned up. Fireworks start at 10 o'clock. The saloon that we were just at has live music all night long, so we got plenty to do for the night. She just hit me. Hope you got insurance. That one right there. John just took one. Okay, we are headed over to the hot springs. Woo! Right there. First time I've ever been in one.
First time I've ever been in one.
I've never even seen one.
They're nice. I've never seen one either.
You've been in one?
Yeah, in Colorado.
I've never seen one. Never been in one.
Hey, you want your towel? Yeah, sure. If you want to grab.
Got my camp soap. I'm gonna take a bath. That's all we got.
I
Nice warm.
The other one's like almost too hot.
That one?
Yeah, you gotta get used to it almost. Is that warm down there, John?
No.
Oh. What are you doing there?
You know, considering this last couple days wasn't so rough at all. Yeah, you forget about it. Like, I love that I love that we went through some shit. And it wasn't easy.
Weird?
Oh my god. Much obliged, sure. Thank you. Are we gonna share it? This is the last one?
Yeah, sure. I'll sit around. Great, it's hot.
Yeah, nice and hot. Beer's hot.
Beer's hot. Water's hot.
John lost his beer down in the river.
Yeah, the river took it. What'd you put in there? Huh? Did you put water in there or what? Dude. Something you didn't drink it. Just give us a dollar. It was heavier than
Jukebox player.